Hey lads, TechScanning here. So in a few upcoming months, Samsung will launch a couple of new smartphones which include Samsung Galaxy S23 series and some Galaxy A mid-rangers. And we already know the design and key specs of these devices even before the launch. Now the Galaxy M54 5G is joining the club by revealing its official renders ahead of its launch. So, looking at the rear design of the Galaxy M54, we can spot the major design shift compared to the last year's Samsung Galaxy M53. So this time there will be no camera bump, and just like the other 2023 Samsung smartphones, the upcoming Galaxy M54 will also sport clean looking individual camera cutouts. Yeah, similar to what we saw on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. So this will give you the taste of a premium design in a mid-ranger phone. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the Samsung using the same design as its main flagship S series for their mid-rangers. Speaking of the back design, the handset seems to have a 2.5T back panel, which means the edges will be slightly curved instead of flat. Further, the phones appear to have a rounded frame, which is a different touch than most smartphones these days. And if we look closely at the metallic frame, it will be painted in chrome finish rather than the same color as the back panel. Moving to the front design, there is a punch hole display having quite slim bezels except for the chin, somewhat identical to its predecessor. Through these renders, we can assure you there will be at least two color options, a dark blue and an aura glow like color option that we saw on the Galaxy Note 10. And to be honest, that was gorgeous. Previously, Samsung M54 was spotted on the Geekbench, which reveals that it will be powered by Samsung's in-house Exynos 1380 chipset and will run on the Android 13 out of the box. Further, just like the Samsung Galaxy M53, the upcoming Galaxy M54 will come in 8 and 6 gigs of RAM variant. And that's what we know about the handset specs so far. Recently, the device is also spotted on the Bureau of Indian Standards database. These listings suggest that the Galaxy M54 could debut in a couple of months. Share your thoughts, what you think about the Galaxy M54 design, and of course I will keep you updated. So hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.